why would they write something different, contrary to what Jesus said? Now, us as Christians, we understand that Jesus came, and Jesus he's literally, as his own words, told us that he would die for our sins. He would die and come back to life, and that's exactly what happened. Now, 600 years later, a caravan robber, Muhammad, comes and says, well, that's not true. The scriptures are just corrupted. You guys are not, it's not actually true, because Jibreel came to him in a cave, which he first wanted to hurl himself off a mountain because he believed he was being demon-possessed. He went to his wife, Al-Kabi, and she told him, no, this is just the angel Gabriel, and that's why he believed it was that. Also, with the burnings of all the manuscripts, that was because Uthman saw there was corruption within Islam, and because the Quran claims preservation, perfect preservation of the texts, they cannot have corruption, and his texts were showing, well, there were many manuscripts, hence why they had to burn them to make the Uthmanic manuscript. And today you still have the 7 Qur'at, which is the recitations. You still have actually about 40 different Qur'ans, and they say different things. There's in some Qur'ans you have surahs which are left out. You even, for instance, have with Aisha, where she claims that the one manuscript about the breastfeeding was eaten by a goat. Now, how is that preservation of anything if the Quran is the word of Allah? If it's the direct word from Allah that's got to be preserved, it cannot be preserved based on its own history and theology. It just makes it impossible. And that's why I say Jesus is God, because the proof that Islam is lying about history and doesn't even know what the history is or what the Christians teach already shows that Islam is false, and therefore it gives me more evidence that Jesus is God.